Hi guys, if you want to place two tables side by side in Google Docs like this, then let's see how to do it. In order to place two tables side by side in Google Docs, first of all go to the Insert section and then click on Table, and now here simply select two block in same row and a table with two columns will be inserted. Now simply click here and then again go to the Insert section, click on Table, and now from here select the table with how many column or row you want. Let's say I want my table with 4 column and 3 row. So here I will simply select the 4 column and 3 row, and a table with 4 column and 3 row has been inserted. Similarly, to add another table here, simply click here and then again go to the Insert section, click on Table, and from here select the table with row and column of your choice. Again, here let's say I want to add a table with 4 column and 3 row. So I will simply select the 4 column and 3 row, and a table with 4 column and 3 row has been inserted here. If you want to put the value to identify 2 column, then you can put the value. For the example, let's say now here you can see I have 2 tables side by side, but there is a border around them. So to remove the border, either click here or here. Then you will be able to see this icon. When you see this icon, simply click on it and then go to the Format section here and then click on Table, and now here scroll down and click on Table Properties. Now under the Table Properties, you will be able to see the option Color. Simply click on it, and from the table border, click here and select the table border 0 and then close it, and now you can see the border around tables has been removed and you have 2 tables placed side by side in your Google Docs page. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily place 2 tables side by side in Google Docs. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.